We're the Sweeney, son, and we haven't had any dinner. You've kept us waiting, so unless you want a kicking, you tell us where those photographs are.
You to drive. Evil Knievel.
Cobblers. Listen, I don't know if you noticed or not, we were both nearly killed out there.
Oh, come on, George, you know.
All I know is that you give me the runaround ever since I've been involved in this case.
It wasn't down to me, you went over my head.
Only because you wouldn't listen, you b****.
Now shut it.